Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. So for today's video, we will be talking about what are my learnings in chapter 1. So we will be talking about summative assessment. But before that, let's define first what is summative assessment. So summative assessment are used to evaluate students' learning, skill acquisition, and academic achievement at the conclusion of defined instructional period, typically at the end of a project, unit, course, semester, program, or school year. So summative assessment are commonly contrasted with formative assessment, which collect detailed information that educators can use to improve instruction and students' learning while it's happening. So summative assessment are defined by three major criteria. So the first one is the test, assignments, or projects are used to determine whether students have learned what they were expected to learn. So in other words, what makes an assessment summative is not the design of the test, assignment, or self-evaluation, but the way it is used to determine what degree students have learned the material they have been taught. So the next one is summative assessment are given at the conclusion of a specific instructional period, and therefore they are generally evaluative rather than diagnostic. So they are more appropriately used to determine learning progress and achievement, evaluate the effectiveness of educational programs, measure progress towards improvement goals, and of course, placement decisions among other possible applications. So the difference between formative assessment and summative assessment is that the purpose of formative assessment is to monitor student learning and provide ongoing feedback to staff and students. While summative assessment, on the other hand, it is to evaluate student learning at the end of an instructional unit by comparing it against some standard or benchmark. So that's it for the summative assessment.